So we're biking across the country on a tight timeline. We need to hit 450 miles every week, and we need to be in big cities for Shabbos.
Right. So if we're following along this route to get to the 450th mile by the first week, that'll take us to Unity, Oregon. Following along the same 450 miles to get to the next one will be, for the next week, we'll be in Arco, Idaho. The next week after that, if we're staying along 450 per week, we'll have to come to around 1,200 miles, 1,300, to Powder River, Wyoming.
The hell? Okay, I have a much better idea.